Tech layoffs at an end, new job analysis shows job market coming back. Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we love training software developers and building custom software solutions. So I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. So we've all seen the headlines about tech layoffs. Is the end really finally in sight? Recent data suggests the job market, especially for software developers, is about to bounce back. So let's dive into some analysis and discuss why I think we're seeing the beginning of a job resurgence in tech. Let's dive in. So now let's address the infamous Indeed chart. So sure, it shows a spike, but who's really using Indeed to hire software developers? Not the major players, that's for sure. The spike likely reflects the desperation of hiring frenzy during the pandemic, not the actual market trends. Developers know that the real opportunities are found through more specialized channels like Dice and LinkedIn and other hiring sites. So while the chart is interesting, it's not the whole story. The true picture of job market is much more promising than Indeed would have you believe. Sure, there was a dip thanks to Section 174 and some other effects, but the resurgence is real. Companies are rehiring, and not just to fill empty seats. They're gearing up for the next big tech boom. If you thought tech was on a downturn, think again. This new analysis shows the job markets are not just coming back, they're actually evolving. CompTIA and TrueUp data gives us a clearer view of the job market. While layoffs were a headline grabbing, these reports show a rebound that's stronger than most expected. The tech industry isn't just surviving, it's starting to really grow back. Companies are not only filling old positions, but creating new ones as they expand into AI, cloud computing, and other cutting-edge technologies. The skills in demand are evolving, and so should developers. So the takeaway, the jobs are there, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. Developers need to just make sure they're staying up to date on skills, which is why here at Startup Hack, we love training software developers. So make sure that you like and subscribe and follow, because we do a lot of free training videos, as well as give away free code samples. So let's talk AI, the buzzword that's been driving the job market crazy. It's like a gold rush, but instead of digging for gold, we're coding for AI. The demand for software developers in AI is off the charts. And guess what? The Labor Department lists software development as the second growing fastest occupation in the US, right behind home health aides. With AI at the forefront, the future looks bright for developers who are ready to ride this wave. If you're not on board, it's time to get coding, because there are jobs out there. Now, there's flexibility and growth in the software development. One of the best things about being a software developer today is flexibility. Not only are software developers earning more than 2.5 times the average in the US worker, they also have some of the most flexible work conditions. Remote work? Check. Flexible hours? Double check. And here's the kicker. Fewer companies are requiring degrees for software development roles. The industry is becoming more accessible, opening doors for a broader range of talent. If you're looking for a career with both financial and personal freedom, software development's a great place. So make sure you check out Startup Hack's Coding Bootcamp. Now, remember that comment from our last video about AI being the new gold rush? Well, it's spot on. AI is the gold rush, and if you want to be a developer, you can be the one giving the shovels. So instead of selling shovels, it's about selling CPUs and GPUs, the tools that power AI. The tech giants like Google are investing heavily, creating dedicated GPU clusters for startups. The message is clear. AI is not a trend, it's a revolution, and the jobs it's creating are here to stay. So if you're still on the fence about diving into AI development, now's the time to grab your shovel and start digging. So the Labor Department projects that the future is bright. According to the Labor Department, software development is one of the top occupations with most projected job growth over the next decade. The demand is being driven by AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and more. Companies are gearing up for this by investing in talent now, so the jobs are coming back strong. If you're a developer, it's time to level up your skills, because the market's about to get hot. And let's not forget, software development offers some of the best job security out there. So the other point is that money's about to get cheaper. Rate cuts are coming. Everybody's looking to the Fed this fall that interest rates are going to get cut. And with interest rate cuts on the horizon, companies are going to start spending again. Cheaper money means more investment in tech, and that means more jobs. The NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Dow are at all-time highs, and companies are sitting on piles of cash ready to invest. This is a perfect storm for job creation in the tech industry. If you've been waiting for the right time to jump back into the job market, now's a good time. So the latest job data isn't just showing a recovery, it's showing a bit of a transformation. The type of jobs coming back are more specialized, more technical, and more geared towards future technology. This isn't just a bounce back, it's a leap forward with some changes. The tech industry is evolving, and the job market is evolving with it. Developers who adapt to these changes will find themselves in high demand with opportunities that go beyond just coding. So make sure you follow our videos because we provide a lot of training videos here at Startup Hack, and so make sure that you follow the videos because we provide hundreds of free coding samples. So, are tech layoffs at an end? Well, I don't know if we can go that far. Some of these companies are still being forced to run leaner and meaner than ever before, and some are still bloated from COVID. But I do think we're seeing software dev jobs coming back, and I think we'll continue to see it through 2024 and into 2025. AI is leading the charge, but it's not the only game in town. The opportunities are vast, the potential is enormous, and the time to act is right now. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, the job market is ripe for possibilities. Tech layoffs might have dominated the headlines, but the story is far from over. The job market is rebounding with new opportunities emerging every day. From AI to flexible work conditions, the landscape is shifting in favor of developers who are ready to take advantage. The future of the tech is bright, and the jobs are coming back better than ever. So what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a good, healthy discussion, so make sure you leave comments down below and to like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our coding bootcamp and build custom software solutions. So reach out and we'd love to help. Hit the links down below or go to startuphack.com today.